Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look right here. It's a very simple eye look. Trust me guys, this is actually maybe I wouldn't say one of the easiest eye makeup look that I've done so far, but it's one of the easiest makeup look that I've done so far. So this look 3 days ago and I got a lot of compliments, so I thought, wow, let me share the look with you guys since a lot of people actually like the look on me. So I thought it'd be nice to share the look with you guys. I received this wig from Hot Air, so I thought it'd be nice to share it with you guys as well. It's a lace wig and it's very simple to apply. It feels so soft and silky, and I thought it'd be nice to share with you guys as well because the hair is very silky and very soft, and my comb is just going through and tangle free, which I'm quite happy about. Another thing I like about this hair is the fact that there is no need for you to do anything. Bring it out from the box, wear it on your head. There's nothing, you don't need to do anything to this hair. Trust me, you don't need to cut it, you don't need to apply glue, you don't need to apply lace closure, you don't need to apply glue, you don't need to apply tape. Just wear the wig and comb it, that's all. And it's a lace wig, you guys can see that. It's very nice, very silky and very soft. It has a very silky feel to it, which I really like, and I like the construction of the cap of the wig. You don't need to apply tape, you don't need to apply elastic band or anything. Just bring it out of the box and wear it on your hair and comb it, that's all. You don't even need to cut the lace. That's like one of the most important part for me, you know, having to cut the lace. I'm always like very careful and all that, but I don't need to do that. I don't need to be scared to cut the lace or anything. Everything has been done, and coupled with the fact that the back of the hair, there is no hook at the back of it. Instead there is the open and close strap. You guys are gonna see it in the video actually, because I didn't say a lot about the hair in the video, but apart from that, I don't normally like that hook at the back of the lace closure, that you had to, you know, hook at the back just to adjust the wig at the back. But with this wig, there is no need for that because there is an open and closed strap at the back, which is very easy and comfortable to use. Actually, I didn't use the strap or anything with this one. I just wore the wig straight from the box and tie my scarf on it just to, you know, press the hair down a little bit and give it the shape that I actually want. Apart from that, I didn't do anything to this hair, which is quite amazing guys. I really like it, and you guys should check them out really. They have loads of amazing wigs that you won't believe it. Range from low to high. High in the sense that if you're a celebrity, then you can wear their expensive one. But for someone like me, which I am a celebrity in my own house, in my own, you know, in my own category, but for celebrities like, you know, Beyonce, Nicole and all that, those are the ones that wear their high range wig. But for someone like us that's just a YouTuber, there's also an affordable wig for us to choose from. So it's between expensive and unexpensive, so the choice is yours. If you have the money to splurge on the expensive one, why not? You feel like a celeb, no problem. But I'm sure you're gonna like their hair, trust me, because I'm really digging this one. Trust me, I really like it. I like the fact that I didn't have to do anything but just to wear the hair on my head, which is every girl's dream, not to, you know, stress about anything at all, especially when it comes to your hair. So you just wear the wig and off you go. Guys, if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this simple eye plummy makeup look, please keep on watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Electric Obsession palette right here. I'm going to take the yellow shade from the palette, this shade right here, to use that as my transitional shade. I'm going to take the orange shade right here from the Electric Obsession palette to apply that on the shade that I just applied earlier. I'm blending in the orange shade again. I'm going to take this shade called Blazing, the shade right here. I'm going to take it from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going to apply that on my transitional area as well, just to deepen the crease a little bit more, because it's quite deeper than the other one that I applied earlier. This shade right here is called Saffron. I'm going to apply that just a little bit below my crease. I'm applying that all over my lids. Take the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Drop Dead Red right there. I'm going to apply that on my lid. Take the Blazing shade right here. Again, I'm going to blend that in with the lipstick that I applied just now. That's why I don't like using natural light. The sun keeps going up and down, so bear with me guys, the weather is not very good today. So I'm going to take the shade Saffron. I'm going to use that to blend the shade in, just to avoid any line of demarcation. So next I'm going to take a clean blending brush right here. Using a Pro Vision brush, I'm going to use that to blend that in nicely to avoid any line of demarcation. So next I'm going to take the Lila Glitter in the shade Next to Notes, right there. I'm going to apply that on my lids. I'm going to take this shade called Cold right here. I'm going to apply that in my outer corner actually. This black liner right here, I'm going to use that to line my eyes. So now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyelashes by Huda Beauty. It's number 13. It's called Jade, right there. So I'm going to do the Instagram thing. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Medium right here. I think it's NW35, I'm not quite sure, but one of the shades from the Medium. So I'm going to use that to highlight my face. I know it seems a little bit too light because of the sun, but it's not too light, but it's just the sun. The sun is going off and on me, so bear with me. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit right here, I'm going to use that to bring dimension back to my face. Blender, I'm using the beauty blender right here. So to set my face, I'm going to be using the Fashion Fair setting powder right here. Use that to set the highlighted areas. My last skin finish in the shade medium. Use that to set the rest of my face. I'm just tapping a little bit of the powder. I'm going to use that to take away all the excess powder on my face. Go back to the eyes again. I'm going to take this shade called Blazing. I'm going to mix it with this shade right here. I'm going to apply that on my waterline. So to contour my face, I'm going to be using the Sleek Contour Kit right here. I'm going to use that to set the areas that I contoured earlier. So for my blush, I'm going to be using the matte blush in the shade Apple Red right there. So today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Icon and the liquid lipstick in the shade Icon as well. I'm going to line my lips first with the lip contour in the shade Icon. I'm going to be using the Inspired Hair right there. It's by Hot Hair. And I'm just going to show you guys what's in the box. It looks like that. Yeah. The style I'm wearing today is called Tantalise in the color Rich Ebony G2. And this is the unit right there. Guys, look at the cap, look at the closure. I like the fact that this is what it's not the hooked one. This is, you know, the open and close kind of thing. I don't know what it's called, like this. So sometimes when I wear wig with the what's it called, the hook at the back, I always feel very uncomfortable. So I'm quite happy that this one does not have the hook. I'm sure it's going to feel much more comfortable than the hook one. So another thing I like about this hair is the fact that look at the cap, guys. Look at the cap. Oh my days. I love the construction of the cap. It's very, very professional and it feels really light, which I'm quite happy about. So I'm going to wear the units for you guys to see what it looks like. Oh, I look really funny. I don't actually need the elastic strap actually. There was no need for that. I'm just going to get a brush. So this is the style of the wig actually. But I am going to style it my way. I really like this, I really like it like this actually, so there's no need for me changing the style. I just like how it looks on me. I look quite different. So because it's a new unit, I've not had a chance to play with it yet, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to wear it and I'm just going to style it like this, and in my next video then you guys will see it in action. So take the got to be glue right here. I'm just going to spray a bit over it right there, and I'm going to comb it to the side that I want the pattern to stay. Then I'm going to scarf it down just to press it down, a bit. So I'm going to take this scarf right here. I'm going to fold that into two, press the air down. I'm going to leave that for about 10 minutes. Very, very soft. My brush is just going through. I actually thought I was filming, but I didn't realize that I've not pressed it. But what I did was just take the scarf off, and this is what the hair looks like after taking the scarf off my head. I really like the hair because I don't have to do anything at all. So next I'm going to apply my highlighter. So today I'm going to be using the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics highlighter right here. It's in the shade Bronzify. Take my setting spray right here by Scandinavia. I'm going to spray that on my face. So that completes the look, guys.